Right, well, this is a Empire model number 62. Very pleased to have this in my collection. Anyone who watches my channel will know I'm a huge fan of Empire model steam engines. Don't know what date on this. I'm guessing probably 1940s, 1950s maybe. This one is complete. Doesn't appear to have anything missing at all. It's in very good condition. Haven't yet decided whether I'm going to repaint it or not. The paint's not too bad. I'll give it a clean up, I think, first. But no, very, very good condition. Unusual, copper boiler on this, but no, very nice. So, right, let's get it cleaned up then. Okay, this is the Empire model number 62 after its metal parts have been repainted and the rest of it's been cleaned up. The copper boiler has come up really nice. They look really fantastic when they're polished up, absolutely superb. This was in pretty good condition anyway, it just needed a repaint. It's all there. I didn't repaint the flywheel because the original paint was in pretty good condition on that, so I've left that. And you can see the difference between the colour quite clearly, but yeah, no, it's come up really, really well. Don't really know an awful lot about dating these. I would imagine 1950s, made in America, 1950s probably. So right, well there you go, looks a treat, doesn't it? Time to get it steamed. Okay, this is recently restored Empire model 62. Tin plate base and cylinder support, copper boiler, cast iron flywheel. Had a few problems getting this to run. It's just adjustments really, but I think we're ready to go. Yes, there we go, look at that, lovely. These things run superbly once you get them set up right. They are excellent little engines. Yeah, not quite we're not up to full pressure yet, so the whistle is a little bit feeble, but yeah, it runs a treat. One of the smaller of the Empire engines, a shortish boiler compared to the standard Empire boiler, but lovely in the copper there. They look superb. And as you can see, it runs a treat, and usual leaking sight glass, but I won't worry about that. Yeah, they're really nice engines. Well, anyone who watches my channel will know that I'm a big fan of the American Empire engines. I just think they're really well built, solid bits of kit. Let's try the whistle again now. But yeah, lovely engine. So well pleased with that. It's come out really well. Yeah, it runs like a dream. I'm going to go and turn the power off, and we'll see how long it will continue to run once I've turned the heater off. Okay, the heater's off. So obviously quite a lot of energy stored in those flywheels. The flywheels on these are pretty heavy. Obviously doesn't require an awful lot of steam pressure to actually run it. Oh, that's not bad at all. Well, anyway, there you go. That's a little video on the Empire Model 62. Recently restored and running successfully on Steam. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks very much for watching.